Hey friends, Will here. So, we're back in the kitchen. I got a fantastic video for you people today. We're going to be cooking what I call Will's morning smoothie. Even though it's almost 7 p.m. right now when I'm recording. But, anyways, I was busy this morning, So, getting right into it. First thing you're going to need, a blender. Very important. Mixes everything up and you can just chug right from it when you're done. And then you're going to need some sort of liquid. Most people use milk, but screw that. We use water. Very healthy for you. And then you're going to need some very key components. So I used diced up spinach. I chopped it up beforehand because I figured you people know how to do that. I used the whole natural blue diamond almonds. Make sure they're not like salted or flavored or anything, because that just messes up with it completely. And then you're going to want to chop those up again. I use a cup of frozen blueberries. I use a kiwi. I skinned it beforehand because that took a minute. And then a few strawberries just for good luck. And then you're going to need a banana. Make sure to peel it. We peel it the proper way here in the Swope household. So, we're just gonna combine everything together and go for good luck. Oh, I almost forgot. Forgot to bring out the fridge. Where is it? Aha. It's an omega blend of chia, hemp, and some other type of seed. I forget what it is. But you want, let's see, probably about like 2 tablespoons of it. So we just stick that in. If you don't have this, it's very nutritious. That's why I do it. If you don't have it, you can use oats, diced up. That works. That works well. Just I prefer this. So we added that in. Okay. Next up, we're peeling the banana. Just drop that right in there. Same with the blueberries. Add in the almonds. Strawberries. Kiwis. What's next? Ooh, a spinach. Can't forget that. There we go. It makes it a bit chunky, Who doesn't love a chunky smoothie? And then lastly, you kind of just add the liquid in. I kind of just eyeball it. That looks good. It's probably a lot, but we're going with it. Alright, and then we're going to need the top to the blender thing. So, don't want that going everywhere. That'll make a mess. So, you just turn it on high and then cover your ears. There we go. That looks scrumptious. Look at that thing. It gives you a lot of energy from all the fruits and vegetables and all the healthy stuff. That's why I usually do it in the morning, but we're here now. So, cheers up, fellas. Fantastic.